today we're gonna go over how to properly do a plank. So this is what it looks like. This is also what it looks like. And this is also what it looks like. So we have three different options. When we break this down, the benefits of this exercise is gonna be building shoulder strength, shoulder stability, and strength through the anterior core or the front of our body. The way that we set up, our hands should be directly under our shoulders. If you're on your knees are behind the hips. The chest and the hips are square to the ground. And if you're on your toes, simply tuck the toes and push off, keeping the weight shifted forward and deeply pushing into the heel of the hand to get a nice long spine and strong body. Now, if this is a little bit too much for your wrists, you can come on down to the forearms into what we call a hover. And if this is still a little bit too much load for you, simply drop to your knees, and that'll take some of the load out of the exercise, but we're still engaging those target muscle groups. So our big common fault that we see in this exercise is as people fatigue, instead of their chest being here and their hips being in line with the shoulders, they tend to lift back because this is removing load or removing pressure from the target areas, which means we're not getting as much benefits out of the work that we're putting in. So make sure that you keep the weight shifted forward, keep the abs nice and strong, push into the hands, and just feeling really solid here. That is your plank, and have fun.